I belong to you. I belong to you.
So my QC series. Shit, I ain't going nowhere. I'm right there. Out here at Ponder. Another download day. What a journey began for real. On the channel. But yeah. Another big download day. She's calling me to come out here. She needs me right now. So find a nice little spot to ground. How y'all doing now? I done got y'all sun. Y'all done got y'all twerk out? Working on it. Almost out. Oh no, this part's a little wet. Oh yeah, it did rain last night. Fuck. Okay, so let me get up on the higher part of the ground. I'll sit here and meditate. Let's see. This part of the ground is wet. Okay. Fuck it. Actually, no, fuck it. Have a towel in the back. Because the ground is still really saturated. It was raining all day yesterday, so yeah. After this, probably gonna hit the court for my twerk out. See? Solutions. All about it. Solutions. Hope y'all having a good day though. Hope it's sunny where you guys are. Yeah, I want to be a little closer to the water. This damn geese shit. Here should be a good spot. Alright. Yeah. Shoes off. I know y'all about tired of seeing me in these Adidas. It ain't like I ain't got other shoes. It's just that fixed shit. That fixed energy from the Leo, my past life. Like a lot of fixed shit. We'll have 10 million motherfucking shoes, 10 million motherfucking hoodies, 10 million motherfucking pants. We wear the same shit. If y'all being called to do this, I need y'all to start doing it. Y'all have a very big role in this. If you continue to ignore it, I hope you guys get it next life. Telling y'all, I've been reading the book. It's a straight up guide. Modern day H-Tub. You know, y'all, I've been called for so long to watch that damn movie. The Harriet Tubman movie they did. Called for so long to watch that movie. So now I know I have to because it has some messages in it. Persimmon tree. She'll be ready. She'll be ready like beginning of fall. This is the type of stuff we have to get familiar with, guys. I'm watching the sun come out. I know it's about to bust out them clouds. So let me sit here and meditate for a little bit, y'all. Check back in. Ponder. Where it all started. I know y'all can feel my energy. It's not bad or nothing. It's just y'all getting to see me come back to life. Y'all getting to see me merge into my ancient self. That's all. Can't even really eat food, bro. Don't matter. I'm just not having a desire to eat, but I know it's because I have to have a clean vessel right now so I can take in these messages. And also for her, so I can give her a sense of grounding. I thought that was some quartz. This is actually where I found my very first piece of quartz, guys. And I believe the pond all about down that way. I believe that's a portal. I'm starting to notice, like, she keep her gatekeepers near portals because we have to protect them. Yeah. Yeah, y'all go outside and meditate. Can't do this by myself. I knew I felt some over here. I felt it. It's a nice piece too, clean. Gotta make a good pendant. I was like, I feel quartz over here. I just didn't see it. Let's get it. Skid it. Come on now. Y'all know Queen Crystal gonna find it wherever she go. This is interesting. I'm gonna call this a quartz cluster. That's funny. It's all in there. A natural quartz cluster. Break it on out. Break it on out. Those rays feel so good. Oh yeah, guys, that's not Pote anymore. That's Sesha, my horse. Cause I always felt female energy with the car, and I'm like, all right, clean this out for my shooter, Pote. Pote will be another one of my cars, but nah, that's Sesha right there. That's my horse. That was my horse back in the day. Come on, son. You almost out. Come on. Nice sun rays. Love it. Come out here and play, y'all. It's the same, oh, fuck yeah. But for one, I go shoot when the train be parked over here. Yeah, I feel so much goddamn quartz in that fucking hill. I feel like that's a piece right there. But nah, this is why. All this motherfucking trash. That's why people are disgusting. That's also gonna be a part of the meditation group. We have to go around picking up trash. But nah, I felt like I felt a big baby over here somewhere. So we about to go walk. I need to start coming out here at night before they get, you know, too much in development. Cause gosh, there's just so much. Wow, that's a nice piece. There's just so much construction in Charlotte. Oh, it's fucking loaded over here, guys. Oh my god, so muddy from the rain. I'm gonna have to go grab my bag, pick up quartz. God, my god, my god, my god, my god. I'm sinking through. My god, my god, my god. Oh my god, my god, my god. But this is why I stopped, because I felt this big baby from the road. Whoa! I'm sinking through the... Whoa! Alright, how am I gonna get them? Y'all, look how when they dig it up, how much quartz is here. Clean quartz has been in the ground. I'm gonna have to take these shoes off before I get back in the car. But, my God. This is very clean quartz, y'all. Oh my God. Whew. Wow. Okay. So, my God. I'm just so over. I don't know. I'm so overwhelmed. I'm trying to think what the move is. Should I come back? Oh God, my shoes is fucked. Should I come back and start picking shit up? Trying to think what to do right now, y'all. Yeah, I think I'm about to come back, y'all. Yeah. All right. Got all I could before the sun sets. Pretty much all I could carry. I'm not fucking around. We out there every day that they ain't on this construction site. Cause that's clean quartz right there. That's the shit that been sitting deep in the earth. Yeah, man. We getting it in.
I belong to you.
I belong to you.